This furnace has been convicted of attempted murder. We took this furnace apart after replacing it due to a carbon monoxide scare, and I want to take a moment and show you what the problem is. If you look here, you can see down in there, this heat exchanger is completely clogged. These are made with polypropylene lining, as you can see here, and over time the polypropylene, which is just plastic, will melt and it helps clog up the heat exchanger. You can see some sooting here that happened as the heat exchanger got more and more clogged. So what's the takeaway from this? You should get your furnace checked every year by a licensed qualified HVAC company, because we can do a combustion analysis and find this before you need the fire department to come to your house, or worse. This furnace is approximately 25 to 30 years old, so it has reached its lifespan. Let's make sure we're right here. 1996. So this furnace had a good lifespan, but it was time for it to go.